Okay, everyone seems to be doing the big plot reveal, so I decided I'll show you exactly what I'm growing here. All the different varieties of vegetables. So let's have a look at an overview of the plot first of all. Let's have a look and see what it's like. There we are. It's jam-packed. I try and use every inch of space. And these here are my parsnips. I think the germination was quite good. And what I did in the autumn was I took rotten apples and I put them into the ground, and like that Japanese bokeh, whatever it is, and I don't know if it's helping them to grow or if it will do strange to them later on from the roots. And over here, these are my carrots, and some rows didn't come up, so I replaced them with leeks. These were purple carrots in this side. I think these are Autumn King on this side here. This here is my garlic, and you can see that there little scapes beginning to form. So I expect I'll soon be taking them out, pulling them out. Here we have the Hurst green shaft pea, which is almost up to about a metre now, I would say, and just coming out into flower. Lots of flowers. And just next to it is my broad beans, and there you can see it looks like this. It's been fertilized and we should be getting some broad beans on there. I've got some more of them over here. Lots of flowers on the little patch, and next to it 4 sweet corn, which are beginning to get tassels on them. There we go, sweet corn. I don't know where the actual, what do you call it, corn ears will develop. That's in there. These potatoes here are Annabella. I think I need to do something to improve this ground because the potatoes are not growing well. And this is an interesting phenomenon. There you can see that's a parsnip there, and over there some more parsnips. 3 or 4 of them. There's another one over there and one there. And this was self-seeding parsnips. The seeds were in the ground over the winter and are now coming up. I've got other things that self-seed as well, like this coriander here. I just pull it out. And these ones here are my bush beans prelude, which are just coming into flower. A long row over there. Whoop. Here we have some more leeks growing there, and in here 3 different types of lettuce. I've taken one of that for Rosella out at the moment, one like that, and these are romaine lettuces, and they're just beginning to heart up. This mound here is sunchokes, artichokes, about 1 meter high already. Going over here, this is the cheeky prince. Stems and the leaves near the root are yellow, but it's beginning to trail now, going down this bank. And that's the other one there. They're not looking all that great. And here we have some rhubarb, which aren't having a rhubarb pie from 3. They haven't been established very long. These are my onions. Stew on onions. They're just beginning to bulb up now. But they're all sort of yellow at the tips. I don't know, I've been giving them chicken poo, but it doesn't seem to help. These are the ones I pulled out because it looked like they were damaged. This here is the crown prince, which is, I don't know, looked like it had been eaten, the root, but it seems to have recovered. I covered it up with some soil down at the root, so it's somehow surviving. And this here is Dale Calder's hops, the golden hops. It's way up there. And that one over there is the Cascade. This is the other golden hops from Dale Calder. Growing up there, that's about 1.5 meters. That one's well over, what would I say, 3 meters now. I'd like it to, come on, grow round about this old structure. There's still no cones on it, but perhaps the bucket is rather small for growing it in. These are my potatoes. These are my lapinpuikkola, and they're beginning to put out some flowers on there. And this one here is the mulberry beauty. And these here, this is green soup celery. I've got about 3 little clumps there. And there we have a volunteer tomato. I think it's that square tomato. So that's about it from the vegetable garden. This is for the sunflower challenge. This is the Peurokella, I think it's called, or deer bluebell, a couple of them there. A dwarf lupin, it's just been raining, and these are my sunflowers, and I've put a undergrowth of different cottage garden flowers like this cornflower. So they're coming up all over the place. And I expect there'll be some poppies coming up as well. Going over here against this warm wall. These are again these dwarf lupins. And there you can see gherkins. There's one there. Another one, 2 there. I don't know if you can see that. 2 there. Another sunflower. Another one there. Gherkins. I think these are very nice, these lupins, the colour on them. It's a very unusual colour. And then another gherkin there. So they're romping away. I think I've had about 5 off of them so far. So that's it. I don't know if there's one on there, or did I just take it off this morning? Yeah, but there's more coming. You can see them there. So that's it, the big plot reveal and what I've got growing in the garden. Bye for now. Switch this off.